Members of NGOs, which include Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement (HANM), Hynniewtrep Youth Council (HYC), East Jaintia National Council (EJNC), Jaintia Students Movement, and Confederation of Rebhoi People under the banner Save Hynniewtrep Mission, took out a rally toward Secretariat today to pressurize the government to fulfill all its demands, that is, implementation of the Inner Line Permit, incorporate the Khasi language in the 8th schedule, and to review the border MOU with Assam. It may be mentioned that East Khasi's district administration yesterday promulgated Section 144 CRPC prohibiting taking out rallies and processions in the state capital.
We have come and marched towards the Secretariat so that we can meet them and ask a question and put a question to them to get a clarity as to what happened to the resolution regarding the ILP, as to what happened to the resolution regarding the Khasi language, as to what happened to the inquiry commission, in which the one-man commission has already stated that the police are involved in the killing of the late Cherister Phil, thank you, as to what happened to the various charges of corruption in the state, as to what this government is doing regarding the unemployment, the job reservation policy, as well as the repealing of the casino. We came with that motive